Hey everybody, this is Clayton Betts, Product Manager at Tekmetric, and I'm here to show you guys the new shared customer history feature that we'll be enabling here soon for all of our multi-shop organizations. So you can see here I'm within Demo Shop 1 currently, and within my organization there's another shop called Demo Shop 2 that I'll be referencing throughout this video. I'm within an RO for a customer in Demo Shop 1, Harrison Ford, and you can see here within the declined jobs section, also within job history, and within several other places, such as inspection history, you'll see this view history from other shops button. So going back to the declined jobs table, for example, if I hit this view history from other shops button, Tekmetric kicks off a search across all shops within your organization for potential matching customers for whoever the customer is on this specific RO. So in this example, this Harrison Ford up here that's highlighted in blue, that's the Harrison Ford customer that is existing within Demo Shop 1, so my shop that you can see here. And then this Harrison Ford down here is a potential match. You can see there in Demo Shop 2. So what I can do as a Tekmetric user is go ahead and turn on this toggle and link and close, so this saves it. And what you'll see here is within the shop column in the declined jobs table, I'm now seeing declined jobs from Demo Shop 2. And you'll see similar things if I click through over to the job history tab, for example. All this job history we're looking at is from Demo Shop 2 specifically. So you can perform this linking action directly within the RO itself for a customer, or you can actually go to the specific customer profile, find that same button at the bottom of the customer profile, and go through the same actions I just showed you. What's really powerful about this linking capability and being able to see history from all shops, all within one shop, and especially within an RO, for example, is that if I wanted to, I could take this job history or a declined job, for example, and again, this is from Demo Shop 2. While I'm working within Demo Shop 1, I can hit the three dots and I can add this declined job from a different shop onto the RO that I'm working on within Demo Shop 1. So again, really powerful, helps get rid of a lot of copying and pasting and opening up shops in different tabs and looking back and forth. It's much more seamless. So one of the other use cases that this feature is going to help you solve is, let's say that a customer has come to one of your locations, but has never been to the location that you're physically working at. So for example, let's say that someone named Amy is coming to Demo Shop 1 for the first time, and she says, hey, I haven't been to this location, but I've been to Demo Shop 2. So what we can actually see here is when I go to create a new repair order, within the customer search field, you actually see this new want to see more results drop down. So if I hit this, again, we search across all shops within the organization, so you can see multiple results for Amy across Demo Shop 2, again, which is the only other shop within my organization. So in this example, let's go ahead and pick this Amy as the one that's physically standing in front of me within Demo Shop 1. So if I hit her, you can see that the vehicle that's listed here, this vehicle, again, exists within Demo Shop 2, but if I hit select, what happens is everything seamlessly gets added to the repair order within Demo Shop 1. So there's no copying and pasting again between different tabs, going back and forth between two different shops, or even asking the customer, who's Amy in this case, to re-enter her information. Everything just gets added in automatically. And when I did this action, this customer, Amy, and her vehicle automatically get added to Demo Shop 1. So if I go to the customer section after this, I can see all of her information, and she's automatically linked to the Amy that exists in Demo Shop 2 to make everything as seamless as possible. So the final use case I really quickly want to go through is pretty similar to the last one, but let's say that in Demo Shop 2, so again, not my shop, Amy's had worked on a car that she's actually never brought into Demo Shop 1. So she's coming to Demo Shop 1 saying, hey, here's this vehicle that I never brought to this location, but it has been used and worked on at this other location. So I've gone ahead and typed her name in here. And within the select vehicle dropdown, what you can do is, again, this Mazda, she has brought this to Demo Shop 1 specifically, so that's why you see it here. But if you're not seeing the vehicle that you want to see and you want to check other shops for the specific customer, you can hit this more results option. And within the dropdown, you'll see some linked vehicles here that exist in other shops that you can quickly pick from. So let's pick this Acura, for example, because that's the one she brought in. So now instead of asking her for all the information from the vehicle, or instead of having to enter it in all manually again, you can just quickly pull it from another shop and it gets saved in your shop. All right, and that's everything I had to share today. Thanks everybody for watching, and please let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks.